Welcome to our video about cleaning tips, the most effective tools for each room. Keeping your home clean is important for the health of your family and also helps in maintaining the overall appearance of your home. Our video will cover the best cleaning tools for each room to help you get the job done more efficiently. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and it's important to keep it clean and tidy. The most effective tools for cleaning the kitchen include a microfiber cloth, sponges, a scrub brush, and a good quality disinfectant. These tools can help you quickly clean up spills, wipe down counters and appliances, and keep your kitchen free of bacteria and germs. The living room is where you relax and spend time with your family and friends, so it's important to keep it clean and tidy. The most effective tools for cleaning the living room include a vacuum cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and a duster. A vacuum cleaner can help you quickly clean the carpets and floors, while a microfiber cloth and duster can help you remove dust and dirt from furniture and other surfaces. The bedroom is where you spend a lot of your time, so it's important to keep it clean and comfortable. The most effective tools for cleaning the bedroom include a vacuum cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and a dustpan and brush. A vacuum cleaner can help you quickly clean the floors, while a microfiber cloth and dustpan and brush can help you clean up any dust or debris. The bathroom is one of the most important rooms to keep clean and hygienic. The most effective tools for cleaning the bathroom include a good quality disinfectant, a toilet brush, and a microfiber cloth. A disinfectant can help you kill germs and bacteria, while a toilet brush and microfiber cloth can help you clean the toilet bowl and other surfaces in the bathroom. Keeping your home clean and tidied is important for your health and well-being. By using the right cleaning tools for each room, you can make the cleaning process more efficient and effective. We hope you found our tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.